be upon your hearts. Impress them upon your children. This is a dedication where all of us in here are saying to God again, here I am. And all of us in here are saying to Andrew, here I am. Love you to help.